If you want to sign into Evernote quickly and without confusion, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you normally use Google, Apple, or your email and password, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can get into your Evernote account fast. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Evernote website. You can type Evernote into your search bar or into the official website directly. Once the home page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. That is where you'll find the login option. Click Login to begin the sign-in process. Now, Evernote will show you a few different ways to access your account. The method you choose depends on how you originally signed up. If you created your account with Google or Apple, you can use those faster sign-in options. If you registered with an email address and password, you'll use the standard email login method instead. Let's start with the Google or Apple option. If you see Continue with Google, click that button and choose the Google account linked to your Evernote profile. If you already have multiple Google accounts on your device, make sure you select the correct one. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to allow Evernote to access your profile information. If you prefer Apple, you can click Continue with Apple and then complete the Apple sign-in steps that appear on your screen. Once everything is approved, Evernote will sign you in automatically. If you're signing in with email, click the option to use your email address. Then type in the email address connected to your Evernote account. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces or incorrect letters, because even a small mistake can stop you from logging in. After entering your email, click Continue. Next, Evernote will ask for your password. Type your password carefully into the password field. If you're using a shared or public device, double-check that your password is entered correctly before continuing. Once you've entered it, click Login. If your credentials are correct, Evernote will take you directly into your account dashboard. If you don't remember your password, look for the password reset or forgot password option on the sign-in screen. From there, you can follow the recovery steps to regain access to your account. And if you've switched devices or browsers, you may also be asked to verify your identity for extra security. Just follow the prompts on screen, and you'll be back in your Evernote account in no time. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure everything loaded properly. You should see your notes, notebooks, and workspaces expected. If you're using Evernote for the first time on a new browser, it may take a second to sync your content. That's completely normal, so give it a moment to finish loading. And that's it. You now know how to sign into Evernote on the web, using Google, Apple, or your email and password. If this tutorial made the process easier, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.